Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my Temu palettes. So I have a total of 6 eyeshadow palettes from Temu. If you guys haven't heard of Temu, it's basically like Shein. They have a lot of inexpensive products for everything that you may need, girl. Stationery, clothing, makeup, everything, toddler clothing, men's clothing. They have everything on Temu and for such affordable prices. It's crazy. Now this video is not sponsored, neither are all my other videos that I filmed on my channel. So I do have a whole Temu playlist linked down below. All the products that I'll be mentioning today, if they're available, they're gonna also be linked down below. If you guys want to watch my other past Temu videos, including hauls, full faces of Temu makeup, and also ranking like these types of videos, they're all in that playlist linked down below. So check those out. And again, let's just get into it. If you guys want to see how I rank these palettes, in what order, which was the worst palette that I've tried from Temu, which is the palettes that you need, girl, just keep on watching. So again, I have a total of 6 eyeshadow palettes, so we are going to be ranking them from 6 being the worst to number 1, my favorite. And I have used every single palette that I'll mention today. I've done videos with, again, all in that playlist. So yeah, these have been put to the test, girl. First off, at number 6, we have the Kakayla palette. If you guys have been on my channel, you guys watch those videos, you know why this is ranked so low. First off, negative points come from the packaging, girl. This is very much like styrofoam vibes, as I mentioned in my other video. Basically, this is a Lime Crime alleged dupe, as you can see, and this is just their 18 color eyeshadow palette. So I really was intrigued because it looks, again, like Lime Crime, and I literally had no idea this was going to be the quality of the palette. Again, very much like styrofoam. It doesn't feel like plastic at all. It's something that feels like somebody made it at home. And then no mirror on the inside, which is not a deal breaker for me. The actual formula of this eyeshadow palette was not there for me. I did use it in a full face of Temu, but you know, the color story is cute. It's just the actual formula and packaging that I don't love, which is why I ranked the number 6. But I love that it has all information on the back. Got a couple of points from that, and the packaging is cute. It's just like the actual quality is not there. So yeah. Next palette is this Novo Bread palette. I think it's called Soft Eyes Toast Eyeshadow Palette. So this palette actually comes in a couple of variations. It's actually one of the first ones that I saw on Temu when I was first, you know, logging in. And this is one that my boyfriend actually purchased for me. Now, nothing against the palette or my boyfriend, obviously, but just, you know, the other palettes that I purchased are just a little better. So this one ranked a little low, but it's not because, you know, it's not cute or anything. It's such a cute little packaging. Love it. It looks like a little toast. We got a couple added points because of the mirror, but also the color story is really beautiful. I believe it comes in a total of 4 color stories. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are really cute. However, they're just very neutral. It's just you get the same kind of looks with this eyeshadow palette, which is why it ranked at number 5. But I think it's really cute, and if you're a neutral lover, if that's all you reach for, and you know you're going to use this all the time, then yeah, get it for yourself, for a friend, for your sister, whatever it may be. It's really cute. Next, we have number 4, the Haremoji Wild Jaguar palette. This is a 9 color eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it is a Huda Beauty alleged dupe. It looks really cute. I bought it because of the packaging. It's really cute, but also the color story is really stunning. It has a nice mirror, and again, the color story is really beautiful. However, the actual formula of this eyeshadow palette, it's not all there. The matte shades in here are just a little hard to blend out, specifically because they are just a little deeper. You can kind of really tell that they're not blending out nicely. They're not, you know, smoking out. However, the shimmers in this palette are really nice and foiled. So, you know, it's cute. That's why it kind of ranked towards the middle of this ranking. But, you know, it's cute. If you're looking for a palette, this one's cute. But again, I do have some other ones that I'll be mentioning that are a little better than this one. But again, you want to gift it to someone, or if you want one for yourself, they have a couple of other variations of these little palettes. And number 3, we have the Tinge Glam palette. So Natasha Denona alleged dupe. So this is the Glam dupe. Honestly, when I first got this, I thought it was going to be a little bigger. I also thought the actual packaging was going to be a little different, but it's just a nice, like, plasticky packaging, nothing special. And these are the colors in here. You also do get a mirror, very neutral vibes. It's cute if you want to go for a nice smoky kind of moment. This is a perfect palette to use on date night or for prom, whatever it may be. It's just really nice, which is why it ranked a little higher than the other palettes. It also does have a nice big mirror, which is really nice quality as well. So the actual formula of this palette is nice as well. It's there. Packaging's cute, not, you know, extraordinary, but this is a nice little buy. And they also do have the palette that comes with the pink kind of shades as well. So yeah, this one's cute. Next, we have the Muj Lean palette. So this is one that I featured recently in some of my Temu hauls and my full face of Temu as well, using some new makeup. So this is really nice. I really love the packaging. This is very much a ColourPop alleged dupe. I don't know what palette it was that they came out with, the So Hollywood collection or whatever, and they came out with a palette that looks like this. One of these shades did come broken, but look at the color story in here. It is stunning. It's just so beautiful. It just gives me very much Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette vibes. Very much everyday kind of tones in here. You can use this palette for whatever, for work, for going out. It has deep tones in here. You have a black, you have a dark brown. It just literally has everything that I could possibly need. So that's why it ranked so high at number 2. I really love the quality of this palette as well. I just hate that one of the shadows actually came broken, but you know, other than that, it's really cute. Also comes with a mirror. At number 1, we have the Haremoji Empowered palette, which looks like that's really nice. Another Huda Beauty alleged dupe. Love the packaging. I think this is the best packaging out of all the palettes that I own. And on the back, you do get some information. Comes with a nice big mirror, and this is the color story in this palette. So what I love about this eyeshadow palette is not only that it has various types of shadows that you can play with, various colors. As you can see, the color story is not very like one and done. It's very much very colorful, neutral vibes. It's really cute. Also does come with I think it's only 2 cream shades in here that you can use as a liner, whatever you want. We have a couple of foiled shades. We have some glittery shades. So it's just the fact that this palette comes with so many types of shade variations and formulas that I just find it really fun to play with. And I definitely want to use it again for another video. So let me know if you want to see more full faces of Temu. I could definitely do that, but I have to say this is definitely my number 1. And this was not a hard palette to put at number 1. I already knew this is a favorite. So yes, I'll have all these palettes linked down below. That was the last one that I had to talk to you guys about, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the Temu playlist is going to be linked down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.